American education is failing because too many students don't see meaning in what they're asked to do. Fewer than 2 in 10 students strongly agree their learning feels important, interesting, or aligned with their talents. This disconnect is highest among students who don't plan to attend college, the very students who need pathways connecting learning to livelihood. Meanwhile, AI is entering classrooms. Most applications focus on speed and content generation, but speed doesn't fix disengagement. So the real question isn't, how do we use AI to do school faster? It's, how do we use AI to restore meaning, effort, and merit? That's what the Purpose Engine is designed to do. The Purpose Engine is a conceptual instructional prototype that shifts AI's role from content generator to a student-centered system for motivation, agency, and educator decision support. It helps educators understand why a student is disengaged, not just that they are, and helps students connect learning to their goals, interests, and future pathways. This works for underperforming students who've lost motivation and high-performing students who need greater challenge and relevance. Let me show you how this works with Maya Chen, an 11th grader aspiring to become a sustainable design director. The Purpose Engine detects Maya is behind on her stoichiometry lab, traditionally asking her to calculate molar ratios to balance chemical equations. Watch what happens. The Purpose Engine reframes this as an eco-material design challenge. Calculate the exact chemical ratios for plant-based building insulation. If your ratios are off, the material won't meet fire safety standards. Same TEKS standards, same learning objectives, but now Maya sees why it matters to her future. She can even consult her future self, an AI persona built from her purpose card, who tells her,
"Hey Maya, it's you, the future you. I am 32 now, working as a sustainable design director."
4 techniques power the system. Joint embedding maps different data types into a shared mathematical space, revealing that a student's passion for world building correlates with spatial reasoning used in architecture. Semantic alignment ensures personalized reframing preserves original learning objectives using similarity scoring against curriculum standards. Edge-based inference runs model processing locally on school infrastructure. Student data never leaves campus. Cross-modal reasoning synthesizes signals across text, audio, and visual inputs, detecting when words sound positive but tone shows fatigue. Our development began with a core insight. Disengagement isn't a behavioral failure, it's a misalignment between student purpose and instructional context. The Purpose Engine meets educators where they are. Teachers see their class roster with instant filters, students needing support, ready for celebration, or with recent events. The system surfaces patterns teachers already sense but can't quantify. It saves time by focusing attention where it matters. It strengthens relationships through better-timed, more meaningful conversations. The Purpose Engine aligns directly with the administration's priorities, advancing U.S. leadership in artificial intelligence, strengthening the future workforce, and reinforcing merit, effort, and educational excellence. Rather than using AI to accelerate shortcuts, it restores motivation and persistence, essential to building a capable, competitive American talent pipeline. The Purpose Engine doesn't ask, how do we use AI to do school faster? It asks, how do we use AI to make school matter? That's the shift American education needs.